If you are wondering why this course is for you, let me share. Are you thinking that possibly your life is upside down, is filled with confusion or things that you just don't understand what's happening mentally? You're continually filled with mind fog or frustration that you just can't seem to grasp. I have some thoughts on that for you. I have some ways to work around that so that you now will grasp those thoughts and live more abundantly. If you are looking for some sort of inner peace, and I'm not here to preach because I worship God, but I'm not here to preach with you. I want you to understand that there is a way to heighten your spirit, heighten your level of peace, your level of spirituality, and your relationship with the one you serve. For me, that is God. For you, it may not be. But I will definitely bring you to an idea or a location within your quiet space, your sacred space, your safe space, where you can actually heighten that spirituality. Now, of course, this course is called Back to Basics, God's Health Plan. We want to talk about your physical. Are you physically not where you want to be? We can talk about that too, but that comes from a space of mental and spiritual and ties to enhance your physical. And the other thing I want to share with you that you may not be sure about having right and aligned in your body or spirit or life is your family. Everything you do, you need to have some sort of support system. For me, that is family and close friends. And family isn't blood to me. And you'll find that out when you learn in this course how to incorporate a support system that has you like King Kong. Have a great day.